we'll do a simple configuration of this drive to get this motor running so you can see how easy it is to configure the GS10 series of drives. In a real application, you'd wire the drive something like this to maximize protection, minimize EMI, etc. But for our quick little demo, we're going to skip all this and just wire the drive directly to a 120 volt outlet and the motor directly to the drive. Before we apply power, we need to remove the RFI jumper because we're using single-phase power, which is an unbalanced supply. The built-in RFI filter is only for balanced symmetrical power systems. It's this jumper down here that you remove with the screw in here and pull out. The user manual has a whole section that explains when to use the RFI jumper. Also, if the drive has been unpowered for a year or more, please see this video regarding capacitor care. So we're wired up, and we removed the RFI jumper, and we've taken care of the capacitors if needed. Let's get this motor running. The GS10 series of drives have tons of features, but that means they also have hundreds of parameters. The good news is you only need a couple to get up and running. If you've worked with any of our other GS series drives, the parameter layout is very similar. All the parameters are in logical groups. If it's not already showing, press the menu key to get to the main display. This may be F for frequency, or H, which is the actual drive output frequency, or several other items you can view using the menu button. I prefer output frequency. Let's start at factory default so we know exactly where we're starting from. Just set group 0, parameter 2 to a 10 to reset the drive. So press enter to go to the group selection, scroll to the group you want. We want group 0, hit enter, scroll to the parameter you want, 02, hit enter, press enter to edit that parameter, and scroll to a 10. Hit enter to accept that. Great. Now all my drive parameters are reset to factory default for 60 Hz operation, and we are back at the main display. Just by setting the motor parameters, we'll be ready to run. I'll hit the enter key and go back to group level, and select group 5 so we can modify our motor parameters. Parameter 1 is the motor's full load rated current, which we can see on the nameplate is 3.2 amps. Hit enter to accept. Go to parameter 2. This is a 1 horsepower motor, which equals 0.75 kW. Hit enter to accept that. Go to parameter 3, and we see the default is 1710 RPM. We'll change that to the 1725 shown on the motor nameplate. Hit enter. Now hit the menu key a couple times and we'll get back to the main display and we can run the drive. In this default control state, the run and stop buttons will run the drive, and the arrow keys will set the speed. I think I'd rather this knob controlled the speed. So I'll hit enter to go back to group selection, change to group 0, hit enter, parameter 20, enter, change that to a 7, enter to accept. I'll hit the menu key a few times to get the frequency display back, and then hit run. Sure enough, if I play with the knob, I can control the speed of the motor. To reverse, I can simply use the menu button to display direction, and if I hit the up or down arrow, the drive ramps down to 0, reverses, and ramps back up again. The GS10 family of drives have an awesome feature set, normally reserved for much more expensive drives. Fortunately, we have a huge step-by-step video tutorial library for this drive that will help you get up and running quickly with those features. And many of the GS20 videos will work with the GS10 as well. AutomationDirect is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. If you need more help, please see our tech support options here. To see all GS10 drive videos, click here. and click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.